What is permutation? Permutation is an arrangement of objects in specific order. Consider that there are two different triangles, 1, 2. In how many ways you arrange these triangles? So this is the first arrangement, and this is the second arrangement. So there are two ways. Remember that in permutation, the arrangement of object is important. There are two different events in permutation: dependent event, independent event. For the dependent event, multiplication should be done, while for the independent event, addition should be done. Let's try this example. There are 7 suits and 6 ties. In how many ways you can select a suit and a tie? Since you cannot select a suit alone or a tie alone, this is a dependent event. So there are 7 suits: S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, and S7. And there are 6 ties: T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, T6. And these are the list of the possible ways. So, 7 times 6 equals 42. There are 42 possible ways in selecting a suit and a tie. Here's another example. There are 4 rubber shoes and 5 black shoes. And how many ways you can pick a rubber shoes or a black shoes? So there are 4 rubber shoes written as R1, R2, R3, and R4. And there are 5 black shoes written as B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Since you can pick either from the rubber or from the black, this is an independent event. So in this case, we'll just add the two events. 4 plus 5 equals 9.
There are 2 types of arrangement: with repetition and without repetition. If repetition is allowed, an element can be repeated in the arrangement, while in without repetition, an element cannot be repeated. The formula in solving arrangement where repetition is allowed is n raised to r if n is greater than or equal to r, where n is the total number of elements, r is the number of elements needed in the arrangement. While the formula in solving arrangement where repetition is allowed is n factorial if n is equal to r, and npr if n is greater than r. Let's try this example. How many 4-digit code will be made from digits 0 to 9 if A. Repetition is allowed, and B. Repetition is not allowed? The code is a 4-digit code, so there will be 4 places. I have 10 elements for the first position. I can have 10 arrangements. For the second position, since repetition is allowed, I can have 10 arrangements. And for the third and fourth position, as well, 10 arrangements. These are dependent events, so we'll multiply. 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 equals 10,000. By using the formula, the solution would be 10 raised to 4, since 10 is the total number of elements, and 4 is the number of elements taken to be used for the arrangement. So the answer would be 10,000, same as before. For letter B, in the first position, there are 10 arrangements. Since in this case, repetition is not allowed, the digit from the first position cannot be used again in the second position. So there will be 9 arrangements. In the third position, there will only be 8 arrangements left. And in the fourth position, there will only be 7 arrangements left. Multiply since they are dependent events. And the answer is equal to 5,040. By following the formula, the solution would be NPR, which is equal to n factorial over quantity n minus r factorial, which will become 10 factorial over quantity 10 minus 4 factorial, and the answer will be 5,040.
Here are other examples. In how many ways can you rearrange the letter LOAM? Remember that the default number of position is the number of elements. and the default type of arrangement is without repetition. In this case, there are 4 elements, so there will be also 4 positions. For the first position, there will be 4 arrangements. For the second position, since the arrangement should be without repetition, there will be 3 arrangements. And for the third position, there will be 2 arrangements and only 1 arrangement for the last position. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, the answer will be 24. So there are 24 ways to rearrange the letters LOAM. In using the formula, n factorial is equal to 4 factorial, and the answer will be 24. How many 3-letter word can you make from the letter BOARD? Since the word must be a 3-letter word, there will be 3 positions. There are 5 elements, so there will be 5 arrangements for the first position. For the second position, there will be 4 arrangements, and for the third position, there will be 3 arrangements. 5 times 4 times 3, the answer would be 60. By following the formula, it would be the NPR formula, which is 5P3, and is equal to 5 factorial over quantity 5 minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 60. There are 7 elements. Take 4 elements and arrange them where 2 of the elements should never occur. Since there are 7 elements and 2 of these elements should never occur, therefore, there will only be 5 elements left. So the solution would be 5p4, which is equal to 5 factorial over quantity 5 minus 4 factorial, which is 120. Arrange the letters A, B, C, D, where C and D are always together. In this case, there will be 5 positions. Since C and D must always be together, this will appear like this, and this. So, what we're going to do is make C and D as one element. So, there will now be 4 elements, A, B, E, and C, D. And this will become 4 factorial. And since C, D can have different arrangements, we will have 2 factorial. Since they are dependent events, we will multiply 4 factorial times 2 factorial will be equal to 48. Arrange the letters A, B, C, D, and E, where C and D should not be together. To solve for CD, should not be together. The solution would be total arrangements minus CD together. So, total arrangement, which is 5 factorial minus CD, which is 4 factorial times 2 factorial, which then become 120 minus 48 equals 72.
How many 5-letter word can be formed using the letter A, B, C, D, E if the word should start with letter A? So there will be 5 positions since there are only 5 elements. The word should start with letter A, so let's put the A in first position. In this case, the first arrangement can have only 1 arrangement. The default arrangement is without repetition, so there will only be 4 arrangements. For the second position, 3 arrangements for the third position, second arrangement for the fourth, and 1 arrangement for the fifth position. 4 times 3 times 2 equals 24, so there will be 24 ways. How many 4-digit number can we form using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which starts with 1 and ends with 6? There are 4 positions since 4 digits number can be formed. The numbers start with 1 and end with 6. In this case, there will only 4 places left and 2 positions left. So it will become 4p2, which is equal to 12 ways. How many 4-digit numbers can we form using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which are divisible by 2? In this situation, there will be 4 positions. The last digit will be divisible by 2, so there will be 3 arrangements. And there will be 3 positions, 5 elements left because 1 element is used in the 4th position. So it will be 5p3 times 3, which is equal to 180 ways. How many 4-digit number can be formed using 3, 4, 5, 6, which are greater than 5,000? For the number to be greater than 5,000, the number should be greater than or equal to 5 in the thousands place. So the first position will be 5 6. There are two different arrangements, and in all arrangements there are three places left and can be filled using the three remaining elements, so it will become 2 times 3 factorial, which is equal to 30 ways. How many ways can you rearrange the PIPATTE? This case is different because some words are repeated. There are 7 letters. The letter P was repeated 2 times. The letter E was repeated 2 times. The letter T was repeated 2 times. So the possible number of arrangement would be 7 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial, which is equal to 630 ways. How many ways can you rearrange the word book in which the two O's occur together? The two should always occur together, so let's consider them as one element. There are 3 positions, so it will become 3 factorial. Considering the arrangement of the two O's, it will become 2 factorial over 2 factorial, which is equal to 6 ways. For the circular arrangement, there are 2 ways of arranging elements, the clockwise and the counterclockwise. In this case, the formula for the arrangement will be quantity n minus 1 factorial. This formula considers both clockwise and counterclockwise arrangement. Let's try this example. How many ways 6 boys can be seen in a circular table? Since this is circular arrangement, the solution will be quantity 6 minus 1 factorial, which is 120 ways. Here's another example. How many ways a necklace with 6 beads can be arranged? This case is different because when you rearrange the beads in clockwise arrangement, there is no difference with the counterclockwise. So in this case, the solution will be quantity 6 minus 1 factorial over 2, which is equal to